Yes, yeah, you are welcome, guys. Welcome back to this channel. My name is Master Daniel. You are welcome once again. So, if you are here for the first time, please you can uh, subscribe to this YouTube channel to get a lot of opportunity. I promise you, there are a lot of opportunity that you are not going to miss if you subscribe to this YouTube channel. So, welcome, guys. So now let's move on to what we have today. So let me go by introduction. The name of the company is Hive blockchain technology. Hive blockchain technology. So let me look at this now. Let's look at some things about them. Now this technology, look at the name Hive Blockchain Technology Limited. So if you look at it, it has been in existence since 2017. And we see that now. So it has been in existence since 2017. And the blockchain, they derive their reward from mining Bitcoin. If you have your time, you can just come here and read about the company. If you look at it here, so about the reward, everything that these people are noticed by, they derive everything through Bitcoin mining. It's just a Bitcoin mining program. So there are a lot of things a lot of bonus, a lot of reward with this company if you can just register with them. So let's move on to how can we register with this company. The first thing you need to know about your registration is that the registration is very simple for you to do. It is very, very simple. But the first thing is, let's look at the registration. Let's go on to the app. So there are a lot of things you gain with this company. If you can just sit down and watch this video today, and there's a lot of opportunity, beautiful opportunity that I'm going to tell you. Now look at it. Now look at the company homepage. This is the product. Look at it now. I told you earlier that they are into mining Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and other things, but here is how to make money just here in Nigeria. So now if you look at it now. You see some product here. So now let's go to the product section. So what you do is to buy a product. Once you buy a product, look at it now. It ranges from 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira. So it depends on the one you can buy. We have 150,000 naira product. We have 3,000. We have 150, 65. 22,000, which will be giving you 1,050 naira every day. We have 5,000, which will be giving you 253 naira every day. So it depends on how your capacity and how you want to generate income. All these things you can make your money back within the space of let's look at it now. Let's go for 5,000 naira. Let's say we want to go for 5,000 naira. I've already registered as a member. So if you look at it now, this is 5,000 naira. This is the schedule of the payment. And we have total income is 10,120 naira that you're going to make after 42 days. Now we have the day's income. Day's income here, it means that day's incomes that we're talking about here means the daily income, daily payment I will be having, so for almost 42, for 40 days, as you can see that, guys. So that is what I meant. Now let's look at it now. How can you purchase? It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. So here, once you are here to buy a product, just look at the let me go back. So now, if you want to register, you have to register through the link under this video. Just get yourself registered with your phone number and with your password. So once you do that, so now let me go to my wallet. So let me go to my wallet now. Okay, I need to log in. Let me log in, guys. Sorry for that. So let me log in quickly. So yes, you're welcome. So look at one of the promo going on now. So if you can register now, There's a lot of opportunity with this company. These are the things you can spine. These are the prices you spine. So there is no way you spine that you can lose. So it's either it is gain, gain. So that is that about that. So and there is another thing you can do with this company. You can start making money, every day. There's a referral program also. When you refer people, you start making money, salary. So salary the company will be giving you salary every month, every month. We have a lot of people who are making huge amount with this opportunity. So guys, you can just come here, buy your product with at least 5,500 and be generating your income every day. You can be making your money every day. Now look at this place now. I have recharged. I told us the other time. So let me look at there are some things I need to do. This is your banking. So you come here. So your bank account must be there. So if you want to withdraw, it's very simple. There is a reward redemption here. So online service is there. So there are customer services. Now that is that. Now if you want to, let's say you want to withdraw now. So these are my total withdrawal just of recent now, and I just opened just 2 to 3 days ago. Look at all my transaction I've been able to withdraw. These are the daily withdrawal. So if you can do, you too also you can just come here, grab the opportunity. It's as simple as that. So and start withdrawing your money. You may not leave your money till 40 days or till 30 days. I mean, so you can just be withdrawing it uh when your account get to the threshold of withdrawal, which is these are the mining every day you'll be mining. So these are your mining points. So these are the total cumulative that I've been able to get is just few days ago. So that is that about that. So these are the things you'll be generating 253 naira for almost 30 days, which is 10,000 plus. So we can start, withdrawing them when your money gets to 1,000. You may not want to wait for the whole 30 days. So it is very simple. You can come here yourself once you registered. A lot of things you can do here. So if you look at it now, this is my account. Now look at it here. This is my the total income. This is my total withdrawal that I've been able to withdraw now. Just 2 days ago now. No, a week now. A week ago, I just registered with them. I've been able to withdraw 2,000 naira from this. So this is my total recharge. So this is my total income. So that is that about that. So you can just come here, start making money. It's as simple as that. Just buy your product, buy the product, and it's very simple. Once you buy your product, you recharge your account, come here, buy the machine, and you are good to go. So the reward will be coming in, and you may want to refer. You may not need to refer at all. If you want to be receiving salary, then you can refer people. If you are not into referring program, then just recharge, buy a product, buy a machine that it will be giving you daily income. Just be withdrawing them to your daily income to your bank. So that is that about that. So thank you very much, guys, for this beautiful opportunity. So you can just click the link under the video. You will see the link there. You should bring you down here. So register and keep rolling. Keep spying. Keep your reward. Keep your money. Keep withdrawing every day, and keep expecting new video from this channel. Thank you very much. I'm Master Daniel. Once again, don't forget to leave a comment. Just leave a comment. If you don't understand anything, then leave a comment there, which I will attend to. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. You are welcome, big guys. I know that